Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Monday. Let's see what's really happening on the market. So we are on a heat map, US stock market heat map that actually shows the companies that we get inside Nasdaq and US30. So remember, I actually trade Nasdaq actually only. So the other ones I just go sometimes, but not really that much. So if you are new to this channel, just know that you are welcome to this channel, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button so that you don't really miss our daily analysis, right? So if you've been here, you know the things, you know how to navigate things. Just smash just that like. So yeah, so that you don't really just to grow the channel. So anyways, we can see that Nasdaq was in performing very well, but few companies that were in or that were they are inside US30, they were not performing very bad. I can see Apple and the other ones, obviously JP Morgan's, and obviously they were performing very well. That's why we saw US30 going up. But strictly the ones that we get, especially in Nasdaq, I see Tesla, it wasn't performing very well. I see also Microsoft, Google, Meta Platforms, Nvidia. They were not really performing very well. So that's why we did not really expect to see any bigger move from Nasdaq. I hope you understand what I'm trying to show you. So what do we have from economic news? So we can see that yes, it's Monday. We don't really have anything, which is it's a good thing. It means you're supposed to do what? Try just to do your analysis, check the economic calendars, and see if maybe there's something that is going to affect the market, or maybe have something. Have an effect on the market movement or market structure. So we don't really have much on Monday. Tuesday, we see that we have interest rates from Australia 5:30. Later on, we have a PMI from US around 5. Wednesday, let's see something bigger. Not really much. I see interest rates from Canada. ADP not really important that much. Let's go straight to Thursday. Unemployment claims or jobless claims, yeah, not really that bad, but yeah, it can move the market sometimes. So Friday, we have NFP overrated NFP. But we know that since we have NFP, the market will be just going crazy before the news. But we know what will happen. The market will be going up, or maybe the market will be going down. So which means our job is to get in the right direction of the market. So let's do the quick analysis, guys. So as we did the daily analysis yesterday, so it's much better just to go through the market very quick. So it's not like maybe we just doing something like seriously, because you can go back on our daily analysis and just watch what happened. It's yesterday. It's not like it's far, like 4 days. So now I'm just going to see if maybe there is any change. You see, just for you. So anyways, we are on Australia and US, AUD, USD. What's really happening? We can see that on a bigger time frame, this is a daily time frame, you can easily see that yes, the market is been pushing to the lowest side. If I still remember, I did focus on this area most of the time, because on a 4 hours time frame that was seriously bigger. We used to sell enough around that level, but when we go back on a bigger time frame, we start to realize that, you know what, we don't really have to forget that we are going down. So you can see that there is a chance for the market to do what, to push even lower. The market can still push even lower. So you might not see that on a 4 hours time frame, but you can see that we are on a resistance, and as a sell can actually do something for us there. You can see that if you have a nice proper sell there, or sell pending order, we can have some very nice profits, very nice profits going down there, unless if maybe the market decide to break out. If the market decide to break out, it's fine. It means the market will be getting out of this downtrend, and we will be looking for what, for the market to push to the upside. So what's really happening? Oh, we are on GBP, JPY. The market is being pushing to the upside. Then we call this an uptrend. If you check on top, we had that area 1, 2. Those are our resistance. I think this is far. something like this. You can see those areas and that one. If we draw something here, you will see that that it's a very nice resistant area. So that's why we see the market doing what? The market going down. But if I try to zoom out a little bit, you will see what might happen. So you can see here we had a proper bullish momentum. We reached the highest area, then the market started to sell. The same thing is happening here. We might reach this area and the market might start to do what? To continue going lower. So, but what we have here, it's quite straightforward. Let me just draw that. We have a nice area to say we have a support area. So for us to say maybe we want to think about selling, as we know that the market reached the highest level there, so what we're going to do is we're just going to try our best to be patient and wait for the market to touch this support area. If the market touches this support area, we will be waiting for a bounce back. If the market doesn't really bounce back, obviously it means the market will be trying to break out. Then we will be thinking or waiting for a retest. Then we can just start to go and look for that sell, as we saw even before. But since we are having this support area, you can see that we can't talk much about sell unless if the market breaks. For now, we have to talk about the bounce back because we are still inside this trend. So let's push to the next one. I'm trying to be as quick as possible. Oh, USD CAD. What's really happening on USD CAD? You can easily see that yes, the market was pushing to the upside. Very nice. We had a very nice support area. This is a daily time frame. Nice one. We had a breakout and we are still on a very early stage. So it means we might see the market continuing selling even like seriously for a longer time. You can see we had some very nice trade. I think days before, last week actually, we had a very nice seller there. And then the market is still pushing to the lower side. You can see after we had that breakout, the market never came back again. So which means we'll see a nice downtrend. So we saw that on DXY, the market was trying to do what? To push the lower side, and that made other pairs to gain some momentum. I'm trying to go on a 4 hours time frame so that you can see what's really happening. So I think the market will be trying to create something maybe around that nice retest. We're gonna continue with that sell. So we have to eat again. We need to smash that again. So let's push to the next one as now we are on DXY dollar index daily time frame. What's really happening? We can easily see that the market was flying, guys. The market was going up very nice, but it seems like now the market is tired. This is a daily time frame, so the market might be starting to push even lower, but we have the lowest area for now, which is very closer, not really close, but this is the one because I want to point this area. So which means this is the closest area that we can say maybe the market will touch that before pushing up, but we will see. So let me try to zoom out so that you see nicely. So yeah, that is this area. So we'll see if maybe the market will be continuing, but at least we have this lowest area and it shows that the market might continue going even lower. You can see the market was pushing up, we broke out, now the market is on this downtrend. The market is still gonna push even lower. So I'm expecting to see the dollar losing some momentum here and there. So we can just keep buying gold, Nasdaq, US30, Euro USD, Gbpusd, all those pairs. So yeah, we are still on a downtrend. The market is still doing its thing. I'm expecting a nice reversal. Maybe not today or tomorrow that will happen. But on Mondays, you have to know that Mondays, they are not actually good times to trade. Sometimes, yes, we trade very nice. But just know that mostly the market will end up disappointing you. Sorry. Now we are on GBP/JPY. What's really happening? I see a breakout, or maybe we can call it an adjustment. So the market is pushing lower very nice. So let's see on a 4 hours time frame and see if maybe we can get something. If you still remember, I've been repeating so much that we don't really have a proper support area, and it seems like like that. So what we're going to do here is, I think we're gonna have to adjust up to this point, but we can't do that now. We just want to wait and see if the market pushes back. If it does, it means what you can do is, it's not like it's a fake breakout. We did not really have a proper support area, so we're going to have something like that going further. you see. So but for now, let's wait and see, because there is a chance that the market can do what? The market can continue. Remember, we had this support. So if the market comes back above that support, we're going to adjust our support area. If not, it means maybe the market will be continuing pushing even lower, but I doubt that. But anyways, let's try to wait and see. Let's not really jump on the market or do something. Let's just relax. It's Monday. Relax. Wait. Relaxing is supposed to be part of your plan. If you don't really understand something, if you feel like something is confusing on your trading plan, just write relax or wait. If you see something like that where you're getting confused, just wait. You can't lose by just waiting. You just wait for maybe a few hours or maybe a day, and tomorrow you're gonna come back and find a nice structure that you can use. Because sometimes we lose just because we just forced to trade, whereas we see that things are they don't really look nice. But just because you just want to trade, hey, man, you already told people that you are a trader, so now you just trade unnecessarily every day, and that is bad, guys. So yeah, we are on GBPUSD. What's really happening? You can see that previously we had a very nice downtrend. What's really happening now? We have a very nice uptrend, aggressive by the way, but still on this one we don't really have a proper support area. If I do that, it's gonna be way too steep, and the market can break that anytime. So let's just put it there, but just know that we're going to adjust that structure. So previously we had these areas. You can see that. You can read through them for your sake, just to understand the structure, what's really happening. So I'm expecting the market to break this resistance before we continue on a buy, or maybe the market might come back around the support area. Remember, I said this. It's not really that important. We know that yes, we are on an uptrend. Let me just place it there. So we just waited for the market to go a little bit lower on the support, then we can have a buy, or maybe the market to break this resistance, we can look for another buy. Simple as that. The best way is to do what? Let's wait for that breakout or a nice retest. So now we are on EURUSD. What's really happening? Quite straightforward. You can see the market is coming from a very stronger downtrend. The market, it was going down for quite some time. So expect to see a quite similar move, but this time going on the upside. You see, the market might still reach this level, but not in a day, but we know that we're going to reach there. And the market has to give us the higher high, the higher lows. When we see this reversal, to us it's an opportunity. I think I have to send this signal. I think we might have a very nice opportunity pushing up like that. Why? Because we can see that the market is on an uptrend, and what's really happening is we can see that the market is reversing. We reached this level of support. I'm expecting maybe EURUSD already, it's now creating that support very nice. I think we see these areas, and I see a nice touch there. I think the market will be ready to push the upside. Above that, we're going to use this as our potential resistance. The market might respect that, pushing lower, or yes, the market can still break that because we are on an uptrend. Simple as that. So on EURUSD, we're supposed to have a nice buy. Or let me just send that. Sometimes I forget. Let me just send this by very quick. If you want to be part of the team, guys, if you want to be part of the team, you know what to do. WhatsApp me or Telegram me. Always sharing my contacts. Check my videos. There's always the contacts that I share. So we're going to do something like this. That is going to be our TP. Let's make a room for the market to breathe. So we're going to have something like this. So this is going to be our buy pending order. So something like that. So yeah, let me send these signals. Yeah, I just sent that signal. So let's go back on that 4 hours time frame. So yeah, we have a very nice structure. I think the market will still keep pushing to the upside, which I think is gonna be a very nice thing. So I drawn a nice resistance, very smaller resistance, because I see on a smaller time frame the market is respecting that. Once the market breaks out, we'll have a buy pending order. Simple as that. Unless if maybe the market breaks this support area and start to push the lower side, it will be fine. We will look for that sell also. So it's not like maybe we are forced to stick to the market. If it's changing the trend, we're going to follow the trend. As we trade the trends, we follow the trends. Yeah, very crazy on gold. You can see the market pushed up aggressively. So if you check that, you saw that we had a very nice resistance. Yeah, this thing flied, yeah. We had a very nice resistance here, a very strong one. I showed you yesterday. You can go back and check that. So I don't know if maybe the market will come back, retest this, and start to push the upside, or maybe the market will just completely come back to our structures, our previous structures. But it seems like the market will end up pushing even lower. This is the highest area, but it's possible that gold can continue pushing to the upside. I think maybe we just left with the market to show us some sort of a retest. You can see, whoa, it was really good. I hope anyone did not really buy there, because if you bought there, hey, when the market reverses, you're gonna cry tears, huh? So what's really happening here is we had a very nice breakout. Then the market started to give us this aggressive push to the upside. We got one there. I think we missed this one, but at least we got something there, and that was also enough. But this one, unfortunately, we did miss, because I still remember I was on Trader Nick channel. We're talking about this breakout. So yeah, actually we missed that, which is fine. So we're just going to wait and see if maybe the market is going to retest that, or maybe the market wants to continue pushing to the lowest side. We will wait and see. So let's push to the next one, which is US30. I'm trying to make this video very quick. But hey, information is too much, eh? We have too much information, and we can squeeze that in 5 minutes time video. So unfortunately, for those who are in hurry. So what's really happening, we can see that yes, we are on US30. The market, it was pushing to the lower side. As you see, the market is now flying to the upside. So we did not really have, unfortunately, I did not really have a proper structure to say let's just continue buying. We did have some buy positions, but the market disappointed us several times. Yes, we were just making some smaller profits here and there, but if some they did hold, obviously they did capture maybe that move. But I don't think so, because we had some serious reversals along the way. But what we see here is the market created a resistance there, another one around this area. Maybe the market will come here, start to create something like that, or maybe we will see a nice push to the lower side before we look for another buy, as we are on an uptrend. So but the structure here is, or what I can say here is, let's just wait for a proper structure. Sometimes when we see moves like that, we go crazy and say, oh, I missed it, oh, it was a buy, 1 2 3. No, relax, we still have so many days. You're not dying today, so we're still gonna have enough opportunities. So some people, they just want to take, we're going to miss enough opportunities, and we're still going to take enough opportunities. Sometimes you just have to miss some, you see. So we missed this one, unfortunately. But for those who did hold, but we had some buy positions, we never had a sell here. So if someone did hold, obviously they made something, which is fortunate, obviously, and which is good. So let's not really just rush to be in the market unnecessarily. If we meet something, it's fine. We do miss some opportunities sometimes, but we can't just say we catch every opportunity that we see. No, that is not really going to be possible. So now we are on Nasdaq. What's really happening on Nasdaq? We can see that the market, I like the structure, guys. The market was going down very nice. Now we can see that the market is now pushing to the upside, which is great, So what we have now, it's a very nice structure. You can see the market is now giving us this type of a consolidation structure. So obviously, once the market is around this area, we might think about buying. I think the market, one way or another, might try to follow gold and US30, and that might be a very good thing. So we need to have a very nice buy along the way. So I think the market will be trying to push the upside. So beside that, so guys, thank you very much. Watch our special there. After this, there's a nice video. Remember, you can still give yourself some discounts on our normal prices. 6 months normal price is actually $150. 12 months is $250, and lifetime is $350. Mentorship is $250. So thank you very much. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.